Haga sien banyngkong ke Shillong Commerce College haga khat khandai tarik Risaw kalau pelong ya ke graduation day na ke bynta ke Samla pule ke bala pyndep ya ke degree haga commerce but art subject jong snem arjar arpwe arjar arpusa. Hakani ke sngi bakyrpang jong kani ke college u Dr Ricky A.J Syngkon MP ke Lok Sabha u long kongsan haga jingdonlang ke Kong Josephine C Blah ke principal Dr Sonita Khongwir Vice Principal, Kong Aiona Kharmawphlang Vice Principal, Professor Baburam Upadaya Head of Department Commerce Department, Dr Lasoborki Pyrngap Head of Department Histori, nonghikai bagi Samla pule jong ni ke college. Lapin chongshit bat penpo yang ni ke sngi di ke jingruai bas ngau thiang na ke Samla pule. Kong Josephine C Blah Principal kalau pediang buram yu Dr Ricky syakani kelempong daki kentin kerku kerdo ik dengkor bakia bukit na kebenta kajat benriu pat Jylla hi barok kawe. Kalau penit hu ah nonghikai bagi Samla pule da ka bapin kenmau bau Dr Ricky udai Samla pule barim jong kani ke college. Kalau ongkat nu ke college ke ngau sarong ya ke jingkiu irat jong haki kam syakri pat ba ah kini ke sngi. Haba ajeng keren gumu kongsan, Dr Ricky ulai thu ek jingyat linti jong hakani ke college hagi por pemenchua. Ulas neng lakrau ke Samla pule ban le bha ke jing jongki, bat ban Pyndonkam ke jingkai bagi yot ne ke nonghikai na kani ke college. U kongsan ulas sami ke sernot ke Samla pule ke bala pyndep ke jing pule jongki.
It was a college which is just like a home for me. We had just 4 classrooms then. 1 library, and then a canteen, and then just below the class, the first year class, we had a small, a small room where there was just one TT board, and that is where we spent our time. And it is a college where we almost know each other, and well, with the teachers, the principal, we are just like a college where it's really not like a college. It's just like a big family of people who know each other very well, who have a respect for each other, and until today, the memories that I have of Shillong Commerce College always and still lingers in my mind. Thank you so much, Ms. Josephine. I told Ms. sitting there that she is the only teacher who is present here, who taught me. The rest have retired, and of course there are some of them who have left the heavenly abode. I remember some of them very fondly. A college where we just like the teachers, we just like friends. In the classroom, yes, the teacher-student relationship is there, but outside the college we are just like friends. We go out, have momo with Miss Josephine, and then we go for drive with some of the other teachers. That was life then. And well, nothing stayed the same. And here I am, never expected that I would be in your midst, to stand here as chief guest of this momentous day, like I said, to be remembered in the life of this college. And what a joy, what a pleasure, an honor for me to be part of this, this day. Well, I will not speak for long. At the very outset, Ms. Josephine, the principal of the college, the distinguished faculty members of the college, not just from the commerce, but now we have the arts also. At that point of time, there was only the commerce section, the commerce department. I would like to express my deep sense of pride and to extend my heartiest congratulations, especially to the graduates. For each one of you, I'm sure, you have reached this incredible milestone. And today is your day, where we acknowledge, your achievements in today, achievement of the college and all the fraternity of the college. We stand here to witness this great day of yours. Today, I would say it marks the culmination, like Ms. had just said, of years of hard work, years of dedication, years of perseverance, and I'm sure the teachers, along with the principal, will agree with me that today it fills us with a great, and to you also, especially the student, a great pride and a great joy to be part of this celebration here in Shillong Commerce College. Well, this institution, we started very modestly, way back in the year 1964. Way back in the year 1964, and it was almost like, so to say, a dead institution. But then, thank God, it was revitalized under the leadership of our late principal, Sir Ramesh Khanpal, in 1986. And from then on, went on, and it has now grown into an institution or a center of excellence, consistently producing graduates who have, I'm sure, have excelled in various fields. And on this, I would like to commend the management, the faculty sitting here, and those sitting in front of us, and also the non-teaching staff who have worked tirelessly in not only in imparting academic knowledge, but also in imparting skills and helping in developing attitudes and habits to all of you, the students, which I'm sure will serve you well in life. Now, as you all stand, on the threshold, many of the graduates today, pursued commerce and arts as a subject. These two, in the context, I'm talking about the context of this college, they are, subjects which do play a very crucial role in shaping the economy, in shaping the society today. For example, since I being from the commerce background, to the commerce graduates, you have learned a lot about financial management, marketing management, entrepreneurship. Then maybe, I'm sure, teachers have taught you, about investment, principle of saving, and so on and so forth. And all of these have, I'm sure, they have equipped you with tools to make you informed as well as responsible, people in making correct decisions. But let me remind us that the essence of life lies not only in understanding, the various theories, be it in the field of commerce or be it the field of arts. But what is more important is to apply these theories in your life. I know people say, theory and practice, they don't go along, but theories have come through a lot of research, and that is why we study them. So I'm sure, and I believe that theories can also be applied to our everyday life. And therefore, on this note, I urge you, the young graduates, to think about how you will manage, for example, your personal and even your professional finances. It is important. We learn in commerce and accounting the art of bookkeeping, trying to bring out balance sheet, ensuring that everything is in order. So it's important that even in life to bring about a balance. May God bless you, and I take this opportunity to wish Ms. Josephine and the team and all the members of this great institution the best of the best. And may God continue to give you all the wisdom in leading this institution. I have seen this institution from that institution, like I said in the beginning, with just 4 classrooms. Now I don't know how many. We never had this, such facility then. But then the beauty of this college is that we were like a small family, and we were one, and that is why unity is always the strength. And when we work as a team, there's no obstacles that we cannot overcome. So once again, thank you, Ms. Josephine, and thank you for inviting me, and thank you for listening to some of my thoughts that I have just shared with you. Congratulations to the class of 21-24. May God continue to bless you. May God continue to use you wherever you are to be a blessing to the world around you. Once again, thank you so much. God bless you.
Please be ready. Okay? Now we have the economics department, so please teachers, please the students are ready. We have the economics department. One bed in Warlabi,